Coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from the American southern continent. This is from Peru. Aji-No-Men Sabor Camaron, which means shrimp. Not a lot to see here, folks. We got a couple boiling water, some noodles, and a sachet, and 3 minutes. So I'm gonna do this up kind of the way I would have a while back. I used to do it this way for a long time. So you'll be seeing that in a moment. But yeah, what's new? It's been kind of a interesting weekend. We started off by dropping the kids off with the aunt and going out on the town. We went to the Cheesecake Factory. I expected there to be a lot of heavy machinery, but no, there was just a long line. And the food was good. I actually got a drink. I had a Long Island iced tea. I'd never had one of those before. And in a fairly recent episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, we did an assortment from Beta 5 Chocolates up in Vancouver called the patio drinks. And one of them was a Long Island iced tea. So tried that out, and that was interesting. And tried one at the Cheesecake Factory, and it was pretty good. I'm not too good at like alcohol-y drinks. I'm pretty good at beer, but I think it took me like 3 seconds to drink that Long Island iced tea. It's like if I like something and I drink it quick. I mean, a lot of people have noticed that about me. So if you take me out to the bar and you start buying rounds, you'll be like, dude, where are you putting those things? So that's why I don't really drink anymore, because I'm like too good at the drinking part. Not as good at the waiting, or too good with the gluttony. So. But hey. And what else? We did that Saturday, which was, God, it seems like Saturday was yesterday. But no, on Saturday we went and did junk in Bellevue and tried to find a new thing to put the kids' art supplies in. That didn't work so well. I think we'll end up just getting something on Amazon. Went and did our grocery shopping. And yesterday I dragged my wife and the kids on a walk, and I think it was just a little too long for her. Her feet ended up hurting, but she did really good, and Miles did really good. It was in the I would say mid to upper 70s yesterday, because it's downtown. Anyways, it was fun. It was nice to get out. I'm trying to see if I can get her to do said walking today. Alright. Now we're going to put the shrimp soup base mixture in here. So the range is called Aji-No-Men. It's like Aji-No ramen. Aji-No is short for Ajinomoto, and Ajinomoto is the company that basically introduced monosodium glutamate to the world way back in the day. So now you know that. Let's give this stuff a try. I have a feeling it might be a little salty. Hey. Or savory. Should be more savory than anything, right? It's pretty thin looking broth. Definitely tastes what most people would say. That tastes like MSG. I'm okay with that. I like it. Yeah, we're dropping some shrimp in. Oh, let me try the noodle first. This might not be a totally average noodle. Not bad, but not cathartic. So there's some shrimp, and here's the thing that I used to do. I'm just gonna drop this egg in here and bust that yolk open and give it a nice stir. Almost kind of beat the egg in with the soup. And I'm also gonna add in some spring onion at this point, and I'm gonna return it to a boil. And that should do it right. But what that does is get everything nice and thickened up, and it's pretty groovy. If you're wondering about this weird light up shirt, God, I don't even know when I got this thing. I got it like, wow, 15 years ago, and it didn't fit. It was like way too small. It's still kind of on the side of like, meh, not there yet, but it's kind of cool. Lights up. Boop, 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 boop. So yeah, thought it'd be fun today. I was gonna wear my old Blue Screen of Death Blue Screen of Death t-shirt, but unfortunately my Blue Screen of Death t-shirt has a big old oil stain on it, and I'm bummed. I've got another one that's kind of funny. It's from Whoop, and it has a thing about a sugar crash. But it's just not the same. It's not the real, legit Windows 9X series Blue Screen of Death. So, I think we're about there. Are you ready? I certainly hope you are. Alright. Let's put our thicker, fuller burlier also kind of stuck to the bottom of the pot a little bit more here. That sucks, because I was trying to do this in an order of reviews today that would make it so the pot didn't get too dirty. But right off the bat, ladies and gentlemen, this pot is a freaking... it's a mess. So I'll have to totally scour that thing out. So, let's see if we can make sure some shrimp get on top. Here we go. And those guys decided to hide, so some of that. Let's do some pepper flake. And let's see here. Oh, this is the stylish music. to do. This is the first day in ages that I'm doing 3 reviews in one day. So, alright, cool. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.